Hi, this is the final project of computer graphics from Trinity College Dublin. Our group selected video games as our group project, but it is too wide, so we decided to focus on the stylized rendering. So what I did is stylized cartoon highlights. It is a method which is often used in traditional animation to express the light information. So the technique basically focuses on three major parts. First, the light drawing, the black stroke. I used the GL cell face to implement the procedural geometry silhouetting, and it cut the front side and moved forward a little bit along the normal direction to get the outline. And second, I did the cell shading, which is this. I make the range judgment by taking the dot production of the normal direction and the light direction to realize the cell shading. And lastly, the most important part is the highlight. And I did the translation, the rotation, and the scanning, and the splitting, which split the highlights into 4 parts. And finally, the quantification, which is the most difficult part. And the key to changing the shape of the cartoon rendering highlights is to change these half angle vector and translate the XY components into tangent space and change the value. The specific code I have posted in my report and the slides. And this is the model of a monkey. Changing the angle may not achieve such a good effect, and there may be some disorder of highlights. The paper has also mentioned that they use stylized highlights mainly for sequence frames with planned camera direction before designing the highlights. And this method has certain limitation. Objects with larger surface curvatures will not be so effective as the T-port. Anyway, for games and animation, stylized highlights can be displayed and has always been being used. So through these assignments, I have learned a lot, including line drawing, cell shading, and highlights. And also, I got a lot of inspiration from my good teammates. And thank you for watching.